Mr. President, this decision was promulgated on July 25, 2025, declaring said complaint to be unconstitutional, void ab initio, violative of due process, and that the Senate in the first place did not acquire jurisdiction over it. Take note, Mr. President, it even said that the decision is immediately executory. But before I continue, Mr. President, let me put on record that the initial proceedings, impeachment proceedings conducted by the Senate in the 19th Congress have never been formally carried over to the Senate of the 28th Congress. I do not know and I'm not aware, I cannot recall of any action so far taken by this august chamber to the effect that the initial impeachment proceedings, which were deemed to have been terminated at the expiration of the 19th Congress at noon of June 30, 2025, have been miraculously brought to life into the present Congress. That having said, Mr. President, I'd like to continue. Mr. President, the decision of the Supreme Court did not dwell on the intrinsic merits of the impeachment complaint filed against the Vice President. It zeroed in merely on the procedures and the processes taken by the House of Representatives. To repeat, it declared the whole impeachment complaint constituting the articles of impeachment to be unconstitutional, violative of due process, void ab initio. Simply because the rules of procedure in impeachment proceedings in the House of Representatives were never followed. And they violated the one-year ban on multiple impeachment complaints as prescribed under Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5, which says that no impeachment proceedings shall be initiated against the same official more than twice within a period of 1 year. Napakasimple po ng sinasabi doon, Mr. President. No impeachment proceeding should be initiated against the same person more than twice within a period of 1 year. Ilan po ang impeachment proceedings, impeachment complaints na ipinail ng House of Representatives? 4 po eh. The first one started in December 2. Sumunod po December 4. Meron pang sumunod na December 19 hanggang sa umabot po noong February 5. Yun nga pong ipinangangalandakan na impeachment complaint which was signed by more than 1/3 of the members of the House of Representatives. Nasunod po ba? Nasunod po ba ang tuntunin ng House of Representatives? Noon pong nag-require ang Supreme Court, Mr. President, tinanong po yung House of Representatives in connection with the 2 petitions filed by several parties before the Supreme Court. One of the items required by the Supreme Court is for the House to give the status of the first 3 complaints filed. Ano po ang sagot ng House of Representatives? Yung daw pong unang 3, the one filed in December 2, December 4, and December 19 were all archived. Nasaan po sa rules ng House na yun pong mga impeachment complaints na ipa-file ay archive? Wala po. Pwede po bang ipakita yung slide na kung saan ay makikita natin ano po ba ang proseso kapag may nag-file na isang impeachment complaint? Ayan po yung Rule 2. Ang sinasabi po sa Rule 2, Mr. President, hindi sa Rule 3, sa Rule 3. Rule 2, Section 3. A verified complaint for impeachment by a member of the House or by any citizen upon a resolution or endorsement by any member thereof shall be filed with the office of the Secretary General and immediately referred to the Speaker. Bakit hindi po nasunod ang tuntunin na ito, Mr. Speaker? Kailan po ni-refer ng Secretary General sa opisina ng Speaker yung impeachment complaint dated December 2, 2024? Kailan po ni-refer ng Office of the Secretary General yung impeachment complaint na i-file noong December 4? Wala po silang sagot. Kailan po ni-refer ng Office of the Secretary General yung impeachment complaint that was received on December 19? Wala po silang sinasabi. Kapag titingnan po natin ang sagot ng Solicitor General in behalf of the House of Representatives, ang sabi po nila, the Secretary General diligently referred simultaneously all the impeachment complaints to the office of the Speaker on February 5, 2025. Immediately po ba yan, Mr. Speaker? December 2, December 4, December 19, at isinama po yung February 5, all of them were simultaneously referred to the office of the Speaker on February 5. 2 buwan po ang kanyang ginugol para lang i-refer sa office of the Speaker. Ano po ang immediate doon? Wala po. Wala po silang sinunod. Wala silang ni-refer at ni-refer nga po delayed. Nung ma-refer po, ang sabi po ng Solicitor General, the 4 impeachment complaints were included in the order of business